Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change profile name on eSound. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an eSound application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the home interface. So if you want to change the profile name, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings from here. At top, you'll be able to see your profile. So simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to see the name over here. So if you want to change the profile name, tap on the two dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the option Edit Profile. Now you'll be able to change the profile information over here. Over here, you'll be able to see your name and surname. So if you want to change your profile name, tap on the field of name, erase the initial name. Now simply enter the new name over here. Likewise, you can also change the surname. Simply tap on the field of surname and change it. Now after doing that, what you have to do is tap on the confirm option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your profile name will be changed. So that is how you change profile name on eSound. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.